Welcome to this concise guide on inverse trigonometric functions, a fundamental chapter for Class 12 NCE-RT mathematics students. Today, we transition from standard trigonometric functions like sine and cosine to their inverse forms to solve complex geometric problems. To find an inverse, a function must be bijective. We restrict the domain of a sine wave to make it one-to-one. Observe how the sine graph reflects across the dashed line y equals x. This reflection defines the visual relationship of the inverse. Crucial to your exams are the principal value branches. For instance, the range for sine inverse is restricted between negative and positive pi by 2. Similarly, cosine inverse and tangent inverse have unique domains and ranges that you must master for consistent accuracy. Understanding key properties like sine of sine inverse x equals x simplifies the most daunting mathematical identities. Always remember the self-correcting transformations, such as how negative arguments are handled within the inverse functions. Master these concepts and dive into NCE-RT Chapter 2. Practice daily to excel in your mathematics exams. Good luck!